Thanksgiving dressing is a must for the holidays. This is a really simple recipe that will save you time in the kitchen. First, I'm going to use a food processor to chop the celery and onion, which will yield about 2 cups of mixture. I like using this method because it provides even-sized bits, but this is definitely something you can chop by hand. I'm going to put that in a skillet over medium heat. I have a few tablespoons of bacon grease here, but you can also use olive oil. This will only cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's tender crisp. To that, I'm adding 1 stick of butter and turning the heat off as soon as it's completely melted. So here I've already crumbled 2 boxes of cornbread that I cooked following the instructions on the box. To that, I'm going to add 2 eggs and mix briefly. Next, I'm going to add in the celery, onion, and butter mix and lightly mix that together. Then I'm going to add 1 can of chicken broth and mix that together, and then a little salt and pepper. Now I'm adding the seasoned breadcrumbs. I like using the Pepperidge Farm herb seasoned cubes since they already have a lot of flavor added, but you could use any kind you prefer. And finally, I'm adding the chopped green onions, and I'm going to mix that together until everything is well combined. To make this really easy, I'm going to pour the dressing back into the 9x13 baking pan that I used to cook my cornbread. I'm just going to spray on a little bit more non-stick cooking spray and spread my dressing in evenly. This will bake uncovered in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until the top is slightly browned. Then it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Have a blessed day.